Hi, in this video I will speak about the project Ultrasonic Distance Measurement System with LED feedback. So a digital electronics project using Arduino Elegoo. And for this project I will need two parts, the hardware and the software. For the hardware I will use a microcontroller Elegoo, an ultrasonic sensor module, wires, LED and a resistor with a resistance 220 ohms. For the softwares, I will use the C programming language with Arduino libraries, Arduino IDE for code generation, CoolTerm for data acquisition, and Gnuplot and Visual Studio Code for plotting. And let's start with the hardware. This is the software here. Let's do it a little bit bigger. So I want to connect all these parts. So the microcontroller, Elegoo, breadboard with 830 pins or terminals, the sensor, this is the LED, it's yellow, and the resistor. And first I will put the resistor. So I don't know, the minus in the right part, the short pin, and the long pin, it's the plus, and I will put it here. I will connect the LED with a resistor in the plus part and the resistor with pin number I don't know, something like this, with the pin number 13. This is the pin number 13, and I would connect it with the resistor, and the minus with the ground from the microcontroller somewhere here, and this is the LED. And for this is the sensor. Okay, and I want to make these connections. So voltage 5 volts, this part is the sensor and this part is the microcontroller. So trig, pin 12, echo, pin 11, ground to ground. The LED is connected already, and let's do it some. So this red wire, it's for the 5 volts. Here is the 5 volts. Okay, the yellow is trig and goes to the 12, pin 12. Come on. The purple is echo, goes to pin 11, and this is the ground, is going to the ground. Let's see. Come on. So this is the system, physical system, and now I want to so this is the system. Let's do it smaller. And this is IDE Arduino, and I want to put the software in my microcontroller. Let's connect it, the PC with the microcontroller. Let's check if everything is fine, and let's upload the program in my Elegoo microcontroller, and let's check if everything is fine. So let's turn this off. So if I am too close to the sensor feel the movement, see, and now I want to take some data in a txt file. For that I will use uh, this software. Let me show you something like this, and I need to set up the software, so to link the software with the port. Let's do this. So connection, my COM3 USB serials device. Okay, you cannot see that, but and now I want to connect, and I make connections, and you can see how the connection, but I want to capture, start recording, save, and now it's, and if I do something like this, see, and again, so something like that. I hope you can see. So again, we can see the lights, the LED is on. When I'm too close, I will make some data acquisition, and I will come back. I will pause. So I guess I have enough data now. Let's save it. Save, and let's stop and save. So I will save the data. Okay. So I save some data. Now I disconnect this. I don't need it anymore. And let's, so I guess it's this. Also, I don't need this. I don't need this, but I need this. So there's no something like this, not this, or I can close it. So I have this script. I will explain in a future video the script, this script for plot, and also this one from Arduino. So I will explain the script, but not in this video, in the next one. Now let's plot the data. So I guess the plot are this data, and I want to plot them here. So the name, I will copy this. Of course I can change the name, leave it like it is now. And let's run. Let's compile and run this, and we have so the data, and the picture looks like this. Okay, and in the next video I will explain the code and for both, for this one and also again this one. Thank you, bye.